A roller tray requires a timer module to make it automatic. With this timer, you can set the exact time for how long the tray will rotate and how long it will stay stopped. In this video, I will show you the complete setup, including the full wiring process. Today, I will show those who already have an incubator but want to make it automatic. I will explain how you can install a roller tray and convert your normal incubator into an automatic incubator, and what items you will need. First of all, you will need a roller tray. There are different sizes available. For example, this roller tray can hold around 60 to 70 eggs. Another smaller one can hold around 50 to 60 eggs, and another size can hold around 30 to 40 eggs. You need to choose the roller tray according to the size of your incubator. After purchasing the roller tray, many people do not know how to install and set it up properly, so I will show you the complete process. The roller tray usually comes with this cable, and the motor and tray are already assembled. First, we need to cut this cable from here. We are cutting it because we need to install this clip connector here. After cutting, we will attach the clip properly and lock it. Now let me explain the function of these two wires. Before that, understand that the roller tray setup is almost complete. After the roller tray, we need a timer module. This timer module allows you to set the automatic rotation time. You can decide how long the tray will rotate and after how much time it will rotate again. I will show you the complete timer setup and wiring process. After the timer, you will need a charger/power supply. A 12-volt 5-amp charger is required. It can be a light charger or any other 12-volt 5-amp power adapter. This charger has two types of lines. One is the AC power input line. The other is the DC output line that supplies power to the controller. So, to complete the setup, you need three main things: roller tray with motor, timer module, 12 volts, 5 amps charger. You will also need some extra cable and a 2-pin connector. Now I will show you the complete wiring process and how to set the timer so the eggs rotate automatically. First, we need to connect the cable. I will show you where each wire needs to be connected. These two wires from the motor do not have different colors. You can connect either wire. One wire from the motor will connect to the top point of the timer module. Look carefully at the timer. One side has 3 connection points, and the other side has 4 connection points. From the side with 3 points, connect the motor wire to the top terminal. Now take the 2-pin connector. Connect one wire from the 2-pin connector. I am using the red wire here. Connect this red wire to the middle terminal. Next, take the black wire from the 2-pin connector and connect it together with the remaining motor wire. These two wires need to be joined together. This is called the neutral connection. After joining them properly, cover the connection with electrical tape for safety. Now the motor wiring is complete. Next, we need to connect the charger. The charger has a red wire and a black wire. The color is very important because this is a DC connection where positive and negative matter. Connect the red wire, positive, to the upper terminal of the 4-point side of the timer. Then connect the black wire, negative, to the second terminal below it. Make sure the connection is tight and there is no loose connection. After connecting, the upper 2 terminals will be used and the remaining lower terminals will stay empty. Now the wiring is finished. The motor wire and the 2-pin connector wire are connected together and the charger is connected properly. Now we will set the timer. First, connect the AC power line and the charger power line. After giving power, check whether the timer is working. You can see the timer display is showing 00. Now let me show you how to set it. There are 4 buttons on this timer. The first button on the left is the stop button. The second button is the set button. The other 2 buttons are up and down buttons. First, press and hold the set button for about 2 to 3 seconds. After releasing it, you will see P11 on the display. Use the up button to increase the value and change it to P32. After setting P32, press the set button once. Now wait until the next setting appears. You will see 050. The decimal point position needs to be changed. Press the stop button once. The decimal point will move. Press again until the decimal point moves to the far right side. Now we need to set the rotation time. The number 50 means 50 seconds. I want the tray to rotate for 20 seconds, so I will reduce it to 20 seconds. Set it as 020 equals 20 seconds. Now press the set button again. The next setting will appear. You will see another option where the decimal point needs to be adjusted. Move the decimal point to the correct position so it works in minutes. Now we will set the interval time. I will set it to 90 minutes. Set the value as 090 equals 90 minutes. After setting 90 minutes, press the set button again. Wait until the display changes. When you see 3 lines on the display, press and hold the set button again for about 3 seconds. Release it. The timer will automatically save the settings. Now the timer is successfully programmed. The light indicator is on, which means the timer is active. The tray will rotate for 20 seconds. After that, it will stop. Then after 90 minutes, it will automatically rotate again for another 20 seconds. This is how the automatic egg turning system works. Now let's test whether everything is working correctly. I have connected the power and the tray is rotating. You can see my marked egg is moving. The roller tray is rotating properly. It will continue rotating for 20 seconds. When the lower part of the egg reaches the upper position, the tray will stop. After 90 minutes, the tray will automatically rotate again. So, I hope you understood how to install the roller tray, complete the wiring, set the timer, create an automatic egg-turning incubator system. If you found this video helpful, please follow my page and like the video. If you have any questions or do not understand anything, leave a comment and let me know. If you need roller trays or other incubator parts, you can contact us through the number shown on the screen. We provide delivery anywhere in Bangladesh with cash-on-delivery service. That's all for today. Stay safe and stay healthy.